Welcome this video title Transforming Space Create Backyard Gardening Design Idea for the Philippines. Introducing in the bustling urban landscape of the Philippines where space is often a premium community create a tranquil and vibrant backyard gardening become a delightful challenge. A well-designed backyard not only enhance the aesthetic appear of your home but also serve as a here from relaxation and recreate. We will explore a myriad of create backyard gardening design idea trailer of the unique climax and culture of the Philippines tropical paradise retreat ambience of the nature beauty of the Philippines by transforming your backyard into a tropical paradise. Select lush nature plants such as orchids and heliconian to create a vibrant and colorful landscape. Integration are smart water function like a contrast or a pond to add soothing elements to your gardening. Use woods or palm fantastic to enhance the tropical ambience. Provide a comfortable space to unwind amid the greenery. Vertical gardening solution in urban setting that space is limited. Versatile gardening become an immunity solved installing vertical plants on well or fed to limit maximizes greenery without sacrificing pressures, groups, space, consider plants and successing or flower from a Australia sticker and space effective gardening or style. Gardening not only add charm to your backyard but also make gardening more allowing to cultivate of plants in a smart footprint. Edible landscape design combine beauty and functional by incorporating edible plants into your backyard. Gardening design a space of vegetables and herb gardening crop like tomatoes, eggplants, basic and mint. This not only add of princely elements to your gardening but also promoting living. Use this bed or gardening to other mean space and mark main interest more says and an edible landscape provide a continuous secure to refresh project wide consider but to your overall aesthetic of your backyard. Conclusion design a backyard gardening into the Philippine in a delightful and way that allowing your to blend natural cut and create weather to other of paradise